Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to get all new items for free on Roblox. So one of the ways to get a new free item is by searching right here Thai Verdis, right? So after you type Thai Verdis, you're gonna just hit enter and you're gonna just go ahead and look for the Thai Verdis concert, and you're gonna be able to go ahead and within the experience, and you're gonna be able to play with your character, and within you're gonna see like multiple stores and everything, and you're gonna buy some of the items within the app, so you can within the game, so you can actually shape your shape your own character, right, or your own Roblox character avatar. So the second way is by searching 24K golden concert experience, right? So I'm gonna just type right here 24K golden, and you're gonna just be able to discover it from the experience, and you're gonna be able to go ahead and click right here 24K golden experience by the 24K golden official group, and you're gonna be able to go within the experience, and you're gonna be able to get a new actually items and everything within the the Roblox experience, right? And you're gonna be able to play with your character and everything. You're gonna see many stores and everything, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.